Hey guys, it is that time again to change the filter. I hope you are changing the filters in your home. This is very important because the return air that goes into the bigger vents in your home is what collects all the dust and dirt. So what you see here is a dirty filter. You see that? And this is a clean filter. So we're getting ready to change it. Not only change it, but I'm about to wipe all this up with some of this and put some new aluminum foil tape around the edges where it needs it, and I'm going to show you what it looks like cleaned up. I'm going to push that back in, clean it, then take it out. Got my little wipe. Let's clean this. Ugh. Let's get this clean. It's disgusting. And I'll be right back. Look at it, and I'm not even done. All right, we wipe. Let's get the foil on it. I'm taking this caulk off because I'm gonna put some new foil tape in here. This is disgusting. I'm gonna wipe in here. Ooh, Jesus. Ugh. Dry this off. Yeah, I'm supposed to be laying down. I can't help it. I be seeing stuff and I just start going. Yeah, okay. This is exactly what this is for. It is a thermal weatherproofing tape for heat and cold. You notice how it suctions even more once it's sealed. And I get this from Menards. All right, now it's time to take this out. And put the clean one in. Ugh. Moth. Ugh. Oh, let me put this back like that. There we go. Preventative things. I hope this was helpful to you. This is something you can do in between time. The filters, this was really irritating me and I wanted to clear it up and have it right. This is not supposed to have that gap. I wish I can probably unscrew and kind of push that up, but for right now it is what it is, and that's what I'm working with. So yeah, before and after of preventing more dust and just kind of wiping it up and cleaning it up and making it look a little bit more appeasing to the eye because it is a hot mess. My next task will be getting on top of here and cleaning this off real good because it is dirty, okay? So yeah. All right guys, hope you guys are enjoying these short videos of what I'm doing behind the scenes and my fixer-upper. If so, thumbs up the video. And remember, I'm the single mom versus the fixer-upper. I have been a married woman for 18 years. I'm starting all over in a city, in a state where I know no one, fixing up a fixer-upper, creating a home for me and my daughter. And if you like this type of content, join the family by hitting that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. I load every Wednesday and Sunday at 5 p.m. but you get shorter videos in between. And with that being said, talk to me in the comments because I talk back, and I will see you guys later.